So in previous lessons, we created an index and added few documents in it. We also learned that how a read operation works behind the scene. Now we are going to do an exercise in which we will retrieve a document from Elasticsearch. Okay, let's retrieve the second document we have. So class, subject, and two, and pretty format. So again, we got this document and it has the data we had provided. What will happen if the document is not there? So let's try ID 3. Okay, as you know, we never added a document with ID 3, so this should fail. As you can see, we got a response false from Elasticsearch saying that this document is not existing in this subject and class index. Okay, it's a pretty simple concept. I would encourage you to do some more exercises, add few documents of your own and try to retrieve them. Okay, also try to skip the ID from the command and see what happens. Right, I see you in next class.